Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tackle Sourav. I'm Sourav Dutta and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your device run into a problem and needs to restart error code bat system config info. Follow me to fix the problem. First restart the computer and the computer will restart and show the automatic repair option. After the automatic repair option appear, select the advanced option. Then select the troubleshoot option, then select the advanced option, then select the startup repair option. After clicking the startup repair option, diagnostic your PC will show. If the problem is same, then go to the next solution. For the next solution, click on advanced option again, then click on troubleshoot and finally click on reset PC. Then click on keep my files. After that click on local reinstall. If your system successfully reset, that's great. Otherwise it will display a message like mine. There was a problem resetting your PC. If this problem appears, cancel it and proceed to the next solution. Navigate to the same location, go to the advanced option and click on command prompt. Then once the command prompt opens, we will first check which drive install Windows. First I will check the D drive. However, I do not have any Windows installation on my D drive. Please verify this yourself by running a few commands. The way I entered the command. Then type C plus type clone and hit enter button. Then type dir and hit enter button. No Windows is installed here. After that you can type type clone and hit enter button. Then type dir, hit enter button. Now take a look, the Windows folder is showing up, which means that Windows is installed here. To fix this problem, you need to use a few commands. Take a look to see exactly which command need to be entered. Type cd space e clone slash windows slash system32 slash then type config and hit enter. Then keep inputting the command that I entered step by step. The reason for doing this command is that if you do this command for the problem you are having, I hope your problem will be fixed for this command. Follow my all steps, don't skip the video. After all commands have completed, type exit to exit, then click to continue to boot the system. Check to see if the problem has been resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. Select the command prompt again and type this command. Using this command will resolve any issue present on your hard disk. After using this command, it will take some time to process. Once the process is complete, exit the CMD window, then click to continue to allow the system to boot. If the issue is resolved, that is great. Otherwise, the final solution to reinstall the Windows. Simply install Windows using the bootable pen drive. That is the final solution. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.